Are you thinking of starting your YouTube channel and you're not quite sure exactly how do you make money on YouTube? Or maybe you already have a YouTube channel and you have some followers and you have some subscribers and you're creating content, you're uploading videos, but you're not quite sure exactly how do you monetize it. Today I'm going to share with you 3 ways that you can earn money on YouTube. Now the first way is probably the most common ways that YouTubers earn money, and that is through Google Adsense. Now, in case you don't know what that is, it's very simple. You have to know that Google owns YouTube. And Google, obviously, you've seen those Google ads, right? Google is an advertising platform. So what it means is when you click on a video, when you click on to watch one of your favorite videos, right? From your favorite YouTubers like Dan Lok, and you will see that an ad that pops up. It's called a pre-roll, but before the video, and you'll see the little skip button right there. I skip the ad, that's an ad. Or sometimes you see the ad on the right side, you see the ad when you click and type in a search keyword and see the ad on the top. That's an ad. Now, an ad means that an advertiser is paying to be there. And when you click on the ad, it means the advertiser is paying Google some kind of money, and then Google will pay us, the YouTubers, a small percentage of that money for featuring that ads on the channel. It's that simple. Now, the problem is with Google Adsense, you need a lot of subscribers, and I mean a lot of views to make any decent kind of money. It depends on your niche, your topic, what your channel is about. That would affect how much advertisers are willing to pay to run ads on those channels. So that's way number 1, Google AdSense. Now the second way is what I call merchandise. I'm talking about selling mugs, t-shirts, right? Umbrellas, things like that has your logo on it, that maybe your fans would like to own just a piece of that, right? They would want to buy that t-shirt, right? They would want to buy that little button, they would buy that, whatever, that little merchandise. And usually these are what I call very low ticket items. You sell them for $5, $10, $20. And if you have a lot of fans, I mean like millions of fans, and for some of them, they might want to buy the t-shirt, or you have a very strong personality brand that people actually, they love what you do and they love what your message stands for, then you can make some money, like $500, $1,000, $2,000 or more on YouTube. That's perfectly fine. The third way is brand deal. Now what does that mean? It means brands, companies, they are willing to pay you, the YouTuber, a decent amount of money or even a significant amount of money if you have a big YouTube channel that is the right demographics for the brand. Now they're paying you to create what we call a sponsorship video, right? An endorsement video, where they're paying you to make a video to put on your channel for your fans to see. Maybe it's to create some more brand awareness. Maybe sometimes it's some kind of a promotional campaign where they click on it to take advantage of some kind of offers or some kind of free trial, whatever that might be. So brand deal, that's another way that you can make money. So let's recap. AdSense, merchandising, or brand deal. Now those are very common ways that YouTubers try to make money, make $500, $1,000, $2,000. Now personally, I don't really make money from any one of those 3 ways. I don't like making money from those 3 ways. I make very, very little from these 3 ways. However, I have made a lot of money from YouTube. In fact, let me prove that to you. Click on a link here, I'll put a link somewhere here, and register for my free class on exactly how I made, listen to me, over $1 million from YouTube with actual proof. I'm going to show you behind the scenes without merchandising, without AdSense, without brand deal, how I've been able to generate 7-figure directly from YouTube. If you want to know how to do that, click on a link and I'll show you how.